got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique. BUD and cash spitting that dope shit. Seattle gold grills tighter than Rose clips. Send you a mold kit, send you a mold kit. I got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique.
What's up, YouTube? What's up, SGG fam? Today we're doing something once again unique, never done before. We're gonna do a Grillz spotlight, y'all. We got a bunch of them just came in today, so I want to do a nice little spotlight, nice little feature on all of them. This should help you guys out on your final selections of what you want to purchase from Seattle Gold Grillz, you know what I mean? Appreciate everybody for the love and support. You guys have been crazy, sharing so many people to the channel. The channel is going to start growing at a much more rapid pace. I can see from a few little things that I'm doing, changing up the game, you know, keeping up with the YouTube algorithm. But this week I wanted to do something different. I brought you guys the transformation grills video the other day, which shows you how you can take one of your old grills and have it upgraded to a new one. And that one went crazy. So I'm going to keep it up, y'all. And thank you guys so much for keeping up all the positivity on the channel, man. It's been going crazy and non-stop. So we will be on YouTube. We will be outside, y'all. So what are you looking at right here, y'all? We're going to go over each one of these grills one by one. And this is going to help you guys on your shopping. Hopefully with us, you know, there are a lot of people out there that, you know, want to shop on my page, but work with another jeweler just to get me doing a lot of extra work and for them for free, you know. And those type of people I try to eliminate immediately because I don't like my time being wasted. But this one is for all my people that really rock with us, really support us, really, you know, behind us. So what you got right here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 piece McNugget with the rose cuts, y'all. Rose cuts on every tooth, man. Are you kidding me? So this is for all the people that have asked me that in the past. Can we do that? This video is going to get rid of that question. It's not a matter of can we do it. It's a matter of do you want us to do it? So this one, as you can see, all 10 teeth have that nice, extreme deep rose cut. This will be going up on the website later for all you guys that are going to be asking how much. I already know how much. You know, I mean, no problem. This will be going up on the website. I will be trying to put it in the link on this video. So I'm going to need to get it up on the website before I post this. But yeah, thank you guys. That's the 10-piece rose cut. And you know it's got them nice deep perm cuts to show off those gum lines. Do you see the way I'm inside right now, guys? I'm not outside. So this is not sunlight. Sunlight's going to hit this even much more crazier than say my phone. This is the 10-piece right here, all rose cuts. And if you need one of these, you can purchase it in the descriptions on this video, which will take you to the website. You can purchase these. We have financing available. You can do four installments. You can put it on monthly payment for a year. It's up to you. But that's the 10-piece rose cut. Now let's go over the next one. I'm gonna put that to the side, y'all. Put that to the side. Let me move my remote controls because we got another one we got to go over. The 8-piece extended fangs diamond dust. I call these cross cuts. This is like my snowflake style. You see them nice deep cuts that give it a nice incredible shine, backed up by the diamond dust in the background. Unbelievable. And if you're wondering why this has the saran wrap stuff on these, because we're doing some work on these teeth that makes it so it's a couple new things we're doing that makes it so it doesn't hurt, and it's using the different things. We don't want whatever we're using to get on your teeth. So when you take this off of here and you try it on, there will be nothing but a nice clean inside of the grills, if that makes sense. But this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8-piece versus the 10-piece you guys seen last time. 10 will go all the way back here. This is the 8-piece. It's got the stamp on there. We stamp all our stuff to let you know that we're paying attention to what type of gold you ordered. This is the 8-piece with the extended fangs. Extended fangs give you that kind of vampire style look. And it's just beautiful, y'all. Just beautiful. Got them perm cuts. It's from my guy. He just graduated from Washington State University. He's actually not a football player. You guys know I do work with a lot of football players. But this is not one right here. He's just a normal, regular, cool as heck. This dude is one of the coolest dudes I've ever met in my lifetime. And you know who you are, Mr. Aaron. Shout out for being so patient with us, man. He had a little issues with his top mold. His bottom grill came in perfectly, but his top mold wasn't right. So he had to come all the way up to our shop and allow us to do the mold for him. So cool, man. Super cool. No attitude, no nothing. Just super patient. So it's always a blessing to work with people like this, or you as well. Don't get it twisted. You as well. Everybody has different personalities. But this one represents this person's personality, and it's great. All right, let's go to the next one. We got the 10-piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10-piece solid gold, y'all. 18K. You see that right there? 18K gold. 18K is much darker than 10K gold, as you can see. 18K gold gives you more pure gold. It's 75% gold and 25% alloy. The alloy is what makes it hard, so it's not too soft. You know what I mean? 24K gold is too soft, just too soft for the teeth. This is just one of our most popular styles. Actually, he got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He got 10 going this way, though. It's crazy. People be ordering different stuff, y'all. They be wanting different things. Trust me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I had to count that again. Yeah, that's 10 though. So my guy Matthew, you got the 18K gold. Got them nice deep cuts on there. Polished grills are some of the best ones, because the cut ones are very nice too. But polished, you know, say it starts getting dirty, all you gotta do is rub your hands on that, and it'll, or get you a polished cloth. Polished cloth, it'll always come back and revive it like that and have it looking great. As you can see, we do the fullbacks in all teeth. We do not cut corners and give you less gold. I appreciate you guys for tapping in. Been a great week. Hope you all having a blessed week, and I hope you have a great weekend. So that's the 10-piece 18K gold. And once again, 18K gold is more closer to 24K. As you start going up, 10K, 14K, 18K, 22K, you start getting closer to pure gold, which is 24K. The reason why you don't see grills or jewelry on 24K is because it's too soft. It'll be scratching easily, and your stuff would not last. You'd be just bringing it back to get polished every time. All right, that's the 8-piece. 10-piece, my bad. 10-piece plain Jane. Now what we got here is the 8-piece with the front 6 drip style. I believe this is silver. 8-piece with the front, and a lot of people like silver. Don't get it twisted. Don't think of it as less than or anything like that. A lot of people just specifically are not into gold. I won't say do not like, that's negative, but are not into gold. I haven't even got to my craziest grills of this video yet. I'm just showing you guys some of the most popular ones, but I have one I'm gonna be showing you here soon. Just stay tapped into the video. That's totally different than anyone we've done so far. Totally different. But these drip grills are very popular amongst males. I have another one that I just did for a female. This is a male grill right here. But I have another one that we have for a female as well. So that's the 8-piece with the front 6 dripped out. Now let's go to the next one, which would be that one I was just telling you about. The 6-piece with the fangs, real thin open face. This is a specific style that some people want because they want to show more of the teeth. We do a lot of open face grills, if you guys haven't noticed. A lot of different style open face grills as well. This is a 6-piece. I believe this is silver as well. Yep, silver. Open face. Beautiful. High polish. So you can keep that polished on there. Silver will stay polished as well too. A lot of times people ask me, will silver tarnish? No, silver, it tarnishes more than say gold, but it can be revived. It's not like once it tarnishes, it's just dead now. No, we can always polish it. We have a polishing machine that'll take off the tarnish and can get it back looking like this. So once again, I appreciate you guys, man, for following my videos, for sharing, telling your people to go to my channel. That has been the biggest thing of 2024. Can't tell you how many people have been referred to my channel and tell me such and such referred them, such and such referred them, such, or just come to the channel by the algorithm, by the search engine, you know what I mean? And start rocking with us. Appreciate everybody that comes in the comments and really helps out our videos. So this is the 6-piece with the drippity drip. Another very popular one, y'all. The 2-piece left side. Some people do the right side. Some people do both. Some people do, I mean, I do a lot of these 2-piece right side. If you see this person has a little bit of gap right there, apparently they're not too concerned about that, because generally when people are concerned about that, they'll make a grill that'll cover that gap. Like this case, he would have made 3 or made these 2 right here, and that gap would have been covered. You wouldn't even have seen it. It'd have just been, but this person wasn't concerned about that. They was concerned about getting their teeth under where they wanted them, you know? But honestly, man, I do so many of these weekly, these 2-pieces, whether it's the left side, whether it's the right side, or whether it's both. I don't do a lot of front teeth, you know, which is weird. I do a lot of these ones, but I don't do a lot of front teeth. But these right 2 are gorgeous. They're gonna be crazy. They're high polished. And these type of clients, we generally do a lot of repeat a lot of return customers, I should say. People are booking appointments as I'm on this live. I can see it at the top of my screen. Do you come pick up all these grills I'm showing you guys? All right, that's that one. So remember I was telling you, a lot of people do the left side grills or right side grills. This is the opposite of the other one I just did. The other one, well, actually it's the same one. It's the incisor, lateral incisor, and the fang. Thin open face. Thin open face. This client right here is the same one that purchased this one. She purchased this one and she purchased this one. Return client, of course. Return client. And she is one of our favorites too. So shout out to my homegirl Raven. She's super cool. But this is the thin open face, which shows more coverage of the teeth. You can see more of this teeth, man. It's a beautiful thing, man. Open faces look like permanents because, you know, a lot of times my dad had, for example, my dad had one of these. He got it removed, but when I was growing up, he always has this one gold tooth on like his front tooth, and it was just like this. I didn't know what open face was at that time. I was a child, you know, but he always had that and got it removed. So one of my sisters reminded me, I forgot that he even used to have it because he doesn't have it anymore. But these look like permanents, man. When you get these open faces like this, man, not all of them really look like permanents, but open faces look like those old school permanents that the dentist put on your teeth that went around your tooth. Some people call them windows. Some people call them open face, but just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. That is just amazing. I love how that looks. We do a lot of individual fangs. I'm probably going to show you guys my craziest grill at the end. So stay tuned in to the end, all the way to the end. This is the two top, two bottoms, sterling silver, solid gold, solid silver, not gold, silver. And as you can see, those things are on there. They stay on like you wouldn't believe. Just appreciate you guys for tapping in, man. Two top, two bottom is one of the most popular styles, especially silver, gold, rose gold. We do a lot of silver though. Silver is much more affordable. You can get you a top and bottom set for about the price of what it would cost you for just the top in gold. These two will cost about the same amount of what it would cost just for two in gold, because gold is so much more expensive right now. Gold just cracked $2,400 an ounce yesterday, for those that don't know. I haven't checked today, but I will check here soon. Once again, I told you guys we do a lot of these. This style specifically right here, we do a lot of. Let me zoom in. Hold on, let me see so you guys can see a little closer. This style right here, we do a lot of. It's the two-piece open face lateral incisor with the heart open face on the right side. This is the right side grills. Remember the other one I was showing you, the left side grills? It's the right side grills, y'all. This one just got to push it up a little bit more, and it goes, snaps right on. You know what I mean? Grills fit like retainers, y'all. Pop them on, pop them off. So that's the two-piece open face. That is 10K gold. I was telling you 10K is much lighter than 18K or 14K. 18K is much darker, as you can see. Much darker. Much more gold. 10K is 41.7% gold. 10K is 41.7% gold, my bad. 18K is 75% gold. Sorry, y'all. Okay, so the next one I'm gonna show y'all, let me zoom out, is the diamond dust. Diamond dust is hands down one of the most searched for terms on YouTube. Right on here. The most searched for term on YouTube, diamond dust, for sure. Diamond dust grills. I think there's an intrigue with it. People love the way it looks. Plus, it's so affordable. It's not using diamonds. It's using the tip of a diamond to make this finish. This is like a hammer finish used by the tip of a diamond. That's why they're called diamond dust. But it's not crushed diamonds. When I first got into the business, a lot of people used to ask me, can we do crushed diamond grills? And as a jeweler, I would already know that no, you're not gonna crush diamonds down, something that expensive, and make it inexpensive. Because a diamond is worth money. As soon as you crush it down in the dust, it's worth nothing. If that makes sense. But no, you don't do crushed diamonds and put them on grills, because it's like, how would you put it on there? You would have to glue it or something like that. We don't do glue on jewelry, on grills or anything. But yeah, this is a diamond dust grills, guys. Most popular style on Google, YouTube. Man, one of the most popular terms searched for on the planet. All right, I got a couple more, guys. We got 14 minutes, so this is going great. Look at this one right here. Look at this bad boy right here. I tell you. And this is 10K white gold. You see that? You can tell the difference. I can always tell the difference between silver and gold, because silver is just, I mean, gold, see, white gold is a little bit darker than silver. That's the bottom is silver. Top is white gold. White gold is definitely darker. It's got like a platinum look. So if you ever want a platinum grills, I would always say go white gold, because platinum is too heavy for